Hello everyone, Brett here. Today I'm going to show you that our moon is not what everyone thinks it is or what it appears to be. We've got a lot of people out there saying that it's a huge spaceship, it's hollow inside, which it possibly could be. I'm thinking more honeycombed, to be honest with you. But I just want to center on one photograph today. And it's this one right here, okay? This is from the Apollo mission, Apollo 15, as a matter of fact. You can pull this up on the Consolidated Lunar Atlas. As you can see down here, it gives you your coordinates, your kilometers, altitude 115, that's about 70 miles above the surface. But I want to show you some things that's very interesting. This is just one photo, okay? This has not been cropped or split and changed or anything in that matter. I haven't done anything to this. Now, imagine you're 70 miles above the surface. There's going to be shadow differences from the bottom of the photo to the top. But I want you to look at this real close. Now, if you were to take a line and cut it right in half and go straight across from left to right, look at the top part compared to the bottom. They're almost exactly the same. Look at the terrain, look at the features, the impacts, everything about it. Let's zoom in on this a little bit. I want to show you what I'm talking about. Okay, let's start right here. First off, these two large craters on the left. Look in the right directly in the center of it. See that thing that looks kind of like a dog's head? Look how they're both exactly the same. The top one right up here and the bottom one right down here. Pull back a little bit so you can see it. There you go. Now I want you to concentrate on these impacts right here. Look at this right in the center of the photo here. See this stuff? Look at the impact craters. Now take a good look at them. See how they're lined up and how they're the pattern that they have? Now I want to show you right down here. There it is again. Look, right there. I'll bring it out so you can look at them both. See? Look at both of those. They're exactly the same, you guys. Impact craters and all. Those aren't impact craters. That's some type of resin, I believe, that they use to actually construct their complexes and things that they do on the moon. Now just take a look at them. Look at that. Top section to the bottom section there. Look how they're exactly the same. The shadows are a little bit different, of course, because you're going to get that big of a difference in shadow. But as far as the design and the way it's laid out, the impact craters, everything is exactly the same. There's no doubt. Here's a little bit more. Here's a better view of it. Now look at this. Let's come in on this right here. Right there. That section. See that? Let's take a look at that. Look at the ones over here on the right. See how it looks kind of like a face on a sideways angle? Got a big eye, a little eye, and then a mouth kind of looking thing. And then if you go right to the left of that, you can see how those 1, 2, 3, there's 3 impact craters. And then there's 2 of them right below that. Now let's drop down here. There they are again, you guys. Look at them. It's exactly the same. See these 2 sections right here? See that? Let me show you. Here they are, right there. Okay, see this right there? Let's bring it down. There it is, right there. See this section right here? Look at it. See that? Now watch. There it is, right there. See that thing right in the middle? It's got a shadow. I don't know what that is, some type of tower or something. Watch. There it is, right there. I'll back out. Now look at it again. There are a few differences, like right up here. See that little curly Q thing right below the dog head? I call it the dog head because that's what it looks like to me. See that? That's not down here on the bottom one, but there's the dog head. Actually, there is the girl. You just don't see it because of the shadow. Now look at all these impact craters compared to this up here. They're exactly the same, you guys. Exactly. There's no questioning about it. Let me go to this one right here. Look, here's over on the other side of it. Same thing. Look up here. See this? There is small differences, but look right up here. See this area right here? See those? Now watch. Bring it down here. There they are right there, you guys. Look at that. Back it out so you can see it yourself. See? Look at that. Exactly the same. This section right over here is different. I believe they're mining up there, but it's not much different. Look. There's not that much different in these things. Look at it. You can see now how everything lines up. The mountain ranges, everything looks exactly the same. This has been terraformed, you guys. There are entities up there that are doing something to our moon. And these photos are from Apollo 15. So imagine how long ago that was. But I'm telling you, this is absolute proof that there are entities up on our moon that are watching us. This is the South Polar region, far side. Take a look. Look at it close. Look how it completely matches up. Everything. Look at that. Tell me that is not a carbon copy of itself. Now you tell me how that happens naturally. I don't care how many billions of years go by. You tell me how that can happen. It can't. It's impossible. This has been terraformed, you guys. There's no doubt. There it is again. There it is again. Here's a little close up here. You can see. Look at that. There's no doubt. I don't know what they're doing up there. Observing us, of course. But what else? Mining? Yes, possibly. That's what I imagine. But that is exactly the same. And that is one photo 70 miles above the surface of the moon. My next video, I'm going to show you right next to this area. There's huge complexes all lining all throughout this one huge crater wall. There's no doubt about that also. And I'll show them to you. Just amazing stuff, you guys. You can pull this up on the Consolidated Lunar Atlas yourself. Thousands of photos. You can't go wrong. Thanks, guys.